Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to record with a 4K video resolution on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. First of all, open the camera application, make sure that you are in the video mode, and then tap right here to switch the resolution to 4K. You cannot change it to 60 frames per second. If you're recording in 4K, 30 frames per second is the most that you can get from this device. Additionally, to get the best settings, tap the down arrow icon, select more settings, and enable Ultra HDR XDR mode right here. And then you can start recording your 4K videos. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.